Hello everyone, welcome back to Python tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to write a simple program for addition of two numbers and we are printing the outputs. So let's get started. I want to tell you that we are going to see some different methods also. So in a first method we are defining the predefined variable. Predefined variable like suppose a is my variable and a have the 100 value and I have another variable b. So for b, I'm giving the 55 value. So these are the two variables I have, and I'm going to do the addition for these two variables. So either I can create a direct summation, direct addition, and store that number in a third variable. Like suppose this is my third variable c, and I'm going to add a first variable and second variable b. So this is the way we can do the addition for two numbers or two digits also. So we are going to print the output. So just you have to enter the print and call the this variable. So let me add here c variable, and we are going to print the value. So let's print the value. So you can see 155 is the value we are getting. So let's suppose I am putting here instead of 55 I am putting 54.8. So let's see the output for this one also. So you can see output is shows 154.8. So this is the predefined. So let's suppose I don't want to give this value. So um, in a real world mostly we use the user must enter the this kind of value, this 100 or 55 or any 10, 20, whatever the values we ask user to put. So we are looking in the method 2. Let's see now. So here I have a method 2 which is, let me rename it, method 2 ask user to enter value. So here we are going to ask user to enter value. We don't need to give the any specific value for variable. So here I have created a num1 variable, and we are going to ask user. So we need to add an input. So here in input we will ask user to, what we are going to ask user to, please, okay, let me add in a string, please enter the number one value. So here we are asking user to please enter the number one value. Okay, and similarly we are putting for the number two also. What we are going to see, so we are defining number two variable, and here we are also mentioning that please enter the number two value. Okay, and we are storing the output in a third variable. Suppose I have some variable, so this is my third variable, and I am putting the num1 plus num2. So this is I am doing the addition for num1 and num2. But here I have just added an input. You need to, it will give you error because we need to define the values, either integer or either float. So first we will see the integer. So int, here I am defining int, and similarly you need to put int here also, and double quotation just. Okay, now I have done my user ask condition. Okay, we are going to ask user to please enter the number, and we will do the addition. So here I have done. So let's run this program. First of all we will highlight comment out of first program, and now we are going to see the output for method 2. Okay, so now I am running. So you can see it is says please enter the number 1 value. So I am putting here 78. Now it is asking again, please enter the number 2 value. So I am putting here any number you can put like 100. So here I have entered the 100. Okay, so here we can't see the output because we haven't added a print statement. So let me add a print statement and we are calling the sum. This is the third variable we are calling in a print, and now we will see the output. So now again we need to enter number 1 value. So here I am entering 66 or 666. Here I am putting the number 2 value is 7 and see the output. So I want to something interesting. I want to add a comment. So you can add a comment like output of A and output of num1 and num2. So here, so this is the comment I have added. Okay, and here the sum variable I have called in a print statement. Now I'm going to print again. Now I want to enter the value again. So here I will enter the 12. Now it is asking the put the number 2 value. So here 56, sorry, 6, let me 64 I have I'm typing. So you can see it is giving the comment as well as answer, output of num1 and num2. Suppose let me enter the again, let me rerun. Now here I am entering the 78.2, 5, 78.5. If I enter this, will it execute? Let's see. Okay, enter. Now you can see it is giving error. What error? Value error, invalid illiterate for integer with base 0. So this is a base 0. Integer is a base, base 10, not 0. Sorry. So we need to add instead of integer, because the value you added is 78.5. So this is a this value come under the float. Okay, not integer. So instead of integer you need to add only float. So float. So we are adding only float here. Okay, let's rerun again. Okay, only I'm instead of integer I have added the float. Now you can enter the any value. Let's suppose I'm entering the 7.9. So I have entered. See, now the value has taken because I have added the float instead of integer. 7.9 and I am here adding 1.5 or 11. That is also fine. You can see both value has taken this program and we are getting the output also. So I hope this video is informative to all, and see you in the next video.